Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a dashboard using Tableau. For this exercise, I'm using sample data from kaggle.com. This is a dataset that contains customer attributes, the products that customers bought, and past promotion campaigns and the sales channels where the customers came from. Make sure you analyze the dataset somewhere first, for example Microsoft Excel. You can do some data preparation and cleaning first. You can add new calculated fields here first, or you can do it in Tableau as well. The only difference is you get to keep the new fields when you save in Excel, but in Tableau you may not be able to export the new fields or dataset. Once your data prep and cleaning is completed, save and close the dataset. So let's start Tableau now. Hover your mouse over to the left to load the Excel dataset. Locate the file in your folders and open the dataset. This is the Data Source tab. This is where you can do minimal data preparation on the dataset. While watching this video, feel free to pause and rewind as and when you like if it helps you in understanding the steps more clearly. Click the drop-down button here and select Create Group. In Tableau, you can create groups and calculated fields. Groups help you to group similar values together. Calculated field is a new field that you create out of existing fields. Next, click on the drop-down arrow of Teen Home field and click Calculated Field. I'm going to add a new field called Customer Life Stage that is derived from the fields called Teen Home and Kid Home. Just use a simple formula to find out if the families have children or not. Click OK once you're done setting your formula. You may click Edit to go back to any calculated field to edit your formula. This is another calculated field that was created earlier. You can create as many calculated fields as you want, and here's just another simple one. Okay, let's move on to create some charts. In Tableau, we create a chart inside a worksheet. So as you can see, Sheet 1 is created for us already. Click on the Sheet 1 tab to go there. Now let's say I select the country field. On the Show Me dialog, Tableau will suggest the possible charts that I can create. Two types of maps are recommended as you can see. You can click on Show Me again and it will hide the dialog. The color areas on the map represent the values present in the country field. I can also give a different color to the areas on the map. You can also add labels and text to the areas. Look at where my cursor is and I'll show you how to do it. It is also possible to add simple calculation like running total, the difference, percent of total, or you can even rank the countries on the map. It's a thing. After you, I would have put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turns. Next, I will create another sheet to show the total count by customers, orders, and sales revenue. Gold, Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. To change the field label, right click on it and select Edit Alias. Stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, move in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't. This is a bar chart that I created earlier. I can further sort it by country by adding country field to the rows. Got space to be thinking about you.
Close that. Love it when you toss it back. Love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track. So off-white track soon. Just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you. Still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this. All snap. Now you getting time out. Cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball.
To change the axis title, right-click and select Edit Axis, and then change it.
Oh snap, heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad, in the rarest and the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't.
Follow my cursor to see how I add labels to the pie chart.
Ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
You know this ain't time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking about you.
To change the colors on the pie chart, click Edit Colors, choose a different color palette, then Assign Palette, click Apply, and then you will see the colors on the pie chart has changed. So this is how you can edit the tooltip on the pie chart. Click on Preview to see the current content. You can also make the changes and click on Preview to see the updates. So that later on when you click on OK, you hover onto the pie chart, you will be able to see the latest tooltip. There you go. Next is a bar chart to show the percent of total customers by their life stage.
Now as you can see, I've further categorized by the customer spending level. I can further sort it by ascending or descending order. Next, I create another sheet, and this time around I'm going to show a list of top 3 countries. Select the total sales revenue and the country field, and select the table option. Then I put the country field into the filters panel. Look at what I'm doing now. Okay, I enter a custom value of 3. And I click OK. Now you can see the table has shrunk to 3 rows. And so these are the 3 countries, top 3 countries based on their total sales revenue. So if I click on the text icon, I can also edit the label or the text to make the numbers look more meaningful. Okay, the same can be done for if I want to show the top 3 countries by the total number of customers. Just look at what I'm doing now. So as you can see, the ID copy field is selected, and then I do a count by this thing and I click OK. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create a new dashboard where we can display all the charts, diagrams and tables that we have created earlier. The sheets pane on the left side of the screen holds all the charts and tables created earlier. We can arrange the sheets in a tile or floating manner on the dashboard. By default, when you create a new dashboard, tile is actually selected for you. The two options can be found in the Objects pane just below the Sheets pane. You can choose to show the dashboard title or hide it. Start by pulling a sheet into the dashboard. Over here in the drop down, there are four options for you to choose how you want the table to fit on the dashboard. So one by one, I'm going to pull the sheets into the dashboard and arrange it accordingly. So it depends on who you are creating the dashboard for. You may want to display your sheets in such a way that's easy to read and the information is easy to digest in a very quick manner. And of course, you can create more than one dashboard to showcase whatever information you have gathered from your data analysis. You can watch on as I slowly transform this dashboard and make it more pleasant looking. So this is the final look of the dashboard that I have been tweaking it for days. And this is the second dashboard that I've created as well. As you can see on the sheets pane, there are so much more sheets that I've created. So we have come to the end and I hope you like what you have seen. Bye and thanks for watching.